Here's some tips on how to glue together Crafty Little U's new piece, the flower wreath. We suggest finishing this and painting it completely and gluing together with Gorilla Wood Glue. But for this video, we are going to show it unfinished and we are just going to glue it together quick with some hot glue. The first step is to take the two wreath halves and glue them together. You are just going to line up the scalloped edge and the engraved line right together so that the wreath is perfectly aligned. You're going to flip it over and you're going to grab the two brace pieces. These brace pieces are going to hold the wreath together. And you're just going to place them over the line where you glued that wreath together, just like this. Make sure they're lined up with the holes and the scallops. Okay, now we're going to put the wreath frame together. So you're going to take each of those pieces and the thinner part of the frame are going to line up together, and then the two sides that have the slants are going to go onto the left-hand side because that is where the flower fits between them. Once you have those all fit correctly on how they will go, you're going to glue them together, just like this. And then that flower is going to glue right between them, and then you'll put the overlays. So you'll have the bow and the two flower petal overlays that go onto that cute flower. This is what it's going to look like in the end, but don't forget, this is a DIY kit, so you get to finish it exactly how you want. Happy crafting!